Hello and welcome to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today's recipe is a part of my meal prep, my weekly meal prep that I tend to do on a weekly basis. Prepare a bunch of things, store them in either the fridge or freezer. So we're doing a bunch of different seeds that are known for their major immune boosting qualities, major nutritional value. They're high in minerals, high in vitamins, and they will literally boost the nutritional value of any food or drink you're about to have. They're super easy to make. You're going to use a seed mix that you have, whatever seeds you have on hand. So here I'm using chia seeds, sesame seeds, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. I'm starting by grinding them all together in a food processor, then I'll be storing them in a glass jar. It's best to store the seeds in a glass jar in the fridge. They store very well for over a month. This seed mix is super rich in vitamins and minerals and perfect for little children, especially when I need to make either homemade chocolate that I want extra crunchy. I take 1 or 2 tablespoons and make the chocolate that way using the 3-ingredient chocolate. I will put the recipe in the link description below for those interested. Also, when I make nut milks, I might add 1 or 2 tablespoons, add them to water, blend them together, strain, and I have instant nut milk. I add them to oatmeal, I add them to any protein bar or granola bar that we make, and I add them sometimes to soups just to add that kind of texture to it. So you can use them in many ways. You can add them in baking, cakes, biscuits, pizza doughs, whichever way you want to use them. You can even add them on top of yogurt. It's best to consume them raw, and the recipe is really flexible. You can be very flexible with the seeds as well as with the amounts that you use. Just try and see what works best for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I tend to do really short videos with condensed information as possible. If you like the channel, feel free to browse, subscribe, and would love to have you on board. Take care. Bye bye.